Have you ever seen someone doing absolutely wrong yet admitting nothing, acting that they are completely right? Not even the normal people, some of the worst people in the history of humanity have done it as well. They never admit that they are wrong. They always justify their actions somehow. But why do we do that? Why don't we criticize ourselves even when it is obvious? The truth is, humans never see themselves as bad as they are. Even the worst criminal, dictator, abusers, they never admit their mistakes. They somehow justified their actions by saying that I didn't have any other choice. Maybe they deserve this. I was fixing the other problems, so it was necessary. Take someone as bad as Hitler. The whole world know that he was the reason of the one of the biggest genocide and the worst genocide in the history of humanity. Yet in his mind, he was hero. In his mind, he was fixing Germany, and in his mind, he was the solution of all the problems that the Germany was facing. He killed millions of people, and he admit nothing. He died in his mind. He died as a hero, and this is how dangerous the self-justification is. We all make stories in our mind. We all make facts in our mind and justified our actions. Sometimes the self-justification result in the disasters. Now, here is a little lesson for you. The worst people in the history of humanity never accept their mistake. They somehow justify their actions. So why do we should expect the normal people around us to accept their little mistakes? They didn't kill anybody. They maybe hurt you emotionally or physically, but they somehow will justify their actions. So while dealing with anybody, don't expect that they will say sorry to you directly. Maybe they feel guilty, but they will never tell you that they are feeling guilty. They are human as well. So, why do we do this? When you criticize someone for his mistakes, he is on the defense line now. He will do everything to defend himself. And that's why direct criticism is bad. Because when you criticize someone, it hurts that person pride and sense of importance. Then he make the wrong stories. Then he try to justify his actions. He make the wrong stories in his mind and start believing that those wrong stories are right and try to justify its action. Now let me ask you, how many times did you do the wrong but never admit it? Maybe you blame the situation. Maybe you say that I'm not as bad as they are. That's the pattern. Your ego does not let you accept your mistake. And this is the same reason why no one wins in an argument, because when you point the finger directly on someone else, he made 100 reasons in his mind. He made 100 things in his mind justifying his point of view or his actions. Now, if you want to grow faster than anyone else, then try to accept your mistakes. The strongest person are the one who can accept their mistakes. They can look up into mirror and say that I was wrong. They admit their mistakes. And accepting mistake is an act of bravery. I don't know why people nowadays think that it is coward to accept mistakes. Because nowadays, if you accept mistake, people will look up to you like in a different way. They will look down to you. I don't think that if someone accepts their mistakes, it that person is very, very brave, because most people do not accept their mistakes.